Hi Hipsters! Today is Friday, October 9th. We are in day 34 of our class, and today you're going to be reading chapter 20. You should have already completed your do now, which says in chapter 19, Maddie's grandfather dies, leaving her all alone. The yellow fever has made Philadelphia a more dangerous place with little food. What should Maddie do next? What would you do if you were her? Make sure you're answering this one in full sentences, just like it says in the prompt. Next, we're going to go to the lesson itself. Here are some things that you're going to see in this lesson. Maddie is going to be near a death cart, is what it's called. It's basically a cart that was pushed around to transport people who have died to a burial ground. So we saw that in earlier chapters, so we're going to see that again here. They're also going to put grandfather in something called a shroud. This is a cloth covering for a body before it's buried. Now, because their death, there's so many deaths from yellow fever, instead of having a funeral at a church the way that they usually would have in that place, there's a mass grave. So there's an area of land where people are constantly digging graves for the people who have died from the fever. It might have looked something like this. Maddie's also going to run into a woman with a cane who's going to be very upset with her. And at the end, she's going to meet somebody with a broken doll who's going to be important to the rest of our story. So pay attention for these markers as you're reading. As you're reading, you're also going to see a section that looks like this. It says fast forward through this section by reading the summary. I've taken out some sections of text to shorten the assignment for you, so you're going to read this for the summary of those sections. Don't forget at the very end to click on the link for your exit ticket so that you can transfer your answers from the side of the text to your Google form. If you have any questions, please reach out to Ms. B. Nugent or myself.